Stepney, the bluebell engine, was puffing along to the station to grab some chocolate to friends. I think it's better for me to get this job done. Let's go. And let's go. Stepney's puffing along so fast. We passed by the football field. But then there was trouble. His wheels slip on the oily tracks. Oh no! I'm disgusting! As the vents inside were covered by chocolate. My gosh! How am I supposed to get out? Unless... Even his driver was covered by chocolate. Look at me, guys. I'm covered by chocolate. Unless... If he can go further, but he can't. But he found out that his wheels were moving. How am I moving? How am I moving? Whoa! Is that some kind of magic? I hate that sound from the oily tracks. I'll go back and switch. I can't see anything. I can't even see anything. Says Stepney. I can't see anything because his eyes were covered by chocolate. I can't even see one thing. Stop! I'm going too fast. Oh, now I can see now. Let's go deliver these chocolates. No, I'm so dirty. But there's a problem on his smoke box. So he decided to rest in a siding. His driver got to check what's wrong. He even looked on the wheels. Oh, there's nothing, just the rocks on the tracks. Oh, so that's what's making that sound. Okay, I guess so. Let's go. There we go. Now let's go. Stepney set off as fast as he can. Oh my gosh, I'm late. I should deliver these chocolates in the yard. I arrived, but I need to go this way. I finally arrived. Now let's try to uncouple them. Now let's go. Stepney has set off. When it was nighttime, Stepney was back. And he stopped. I arrived. Now we can stay here. No, we can stay here. Let me just go to sleep. The next day came when Stepney had wake up. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. So